Kelly, and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm going to scrap these 5 photos of my grandkids, and I don't have 2 pieces of background paper that are the same, so I'm kind of playing with what I'm going to use, thinking about the solid pink but it was a little off. That is a little too busy, but I'm playing with it. I'm thinking about that one. So the paper on the left, the kind of patchwork paper, is from Crate Paper Heart Day. It's the Hugs and Kisses paper. But ultimately, and I think that's where the other paper was. The other paper was a Crate Paper Valentine collection as well. But really, I liked this more solid dotted paper because it wasn't, the other side is so busy. So that is the Doodlebug Petite Prince Cherry Swiss Dot paper. All right, and then I grabbed a 3x4 card there from Ellie's Studio. That just came in one of my, it's from one of my kits or when I bought it. I don't have those separated anymore. They're all just Ellie's Studio because you can get lots of them. And I have a lot of cards. So I'm thinking I'm going to put something underneath to border the photos on the left side. So I want to make sure that I don't glue it all the way down there. All right, and then I'll do the same thing. And so I'll have 3 4x6 spots. On this side, 2 of them will be photos and the other one will be the journaling card. And this is my granddaughter and her younger brother. These are the 2 youngest of my grandkids, and these 2 are, oh my gosh, they love each other. They're thick as thieves, as they say. they just really, I mean, my youngest grandson, loves all of his brothers and sisters most definitely, but boy, can his older sister make him laugh. And she's at this point, she's not even 2 here because she just turned 2. So I think she was just a little bit, she's probably about 20 months old. I don't remember the date that these photos were taken. Yeah, she was about 22 months old there, actually. All right, so I'm using that striped paper there. I just grabbed 2 pieces, and this is what I'm going to use to border the photos, and that's from Echo Park Allison Craft. It's a Lucky and Love collection. It's a Be Mine paper, and you saw me, I was kind of looking at maybe using some washi tape, and I just like this extra bit of color here because everything is so pink right now, and it's playing off my granddaughter's pajamas there, which y'all know if I get to scrapbook her, I like using pink, but it was getting to be too much pink. So I needed something else just as a little foil to be a little bit different. And I wouldn't mind doing all pink on a layout that involved my grandson. That's fine. So here is where it comes in, where I bring in another color, and that's this navy here. And I love how that just pops the layout then. Before it was all you can kind of see on the other side, it's all very much the same. So, and I'm not quite sure how I did this, but the sizes there are not the same, but that's okay. I don't know what I did there about how I put them on. Maybe I don't know if the photos were shorter or what the deal was, but anyway. I wanted the reveal to be about the same from side to side there of the striped paper. All right, so much better now. It really sets the photo block off from the papers themselves. I think before it all was sort of blending in. And I don't have a special love right now, so it's kind of nice when I get to use my Valentine's collections. And this is what I do. I'll use it about my kids or my grandkids or my great nephew, and Valentine's Day things they do, or when they really like stuff. Sometimes I'll do it when I really like stuff. So I'm pulling out my chipboard here. And I don't think I told you that washi tape is from Bella Boulevard, just in case you want to know. And it's old. So I'm grabbing some of my chipboard from Maggie Holmes and Crate Paper. And I love that chipboard title here that says Happy Heart, because these two are very happy around each other. That is from Maggie Holmes' Chasing Dreams, the chipboard stickers from Chasing Dreams. So I'm trying to get like the H in heart to nestle into those P's in happy. So getting the ascenders and descenders to work together. I found that that floral heart there, and that came from the Bloom chipboard as well, or from the Maggie Holmes Bloom chipboard, different collection. And then I have that bright pink heart, and that's from the Chasing Dreams chipboard. So that's from the bright pink one's from the same one that the Happy Heart is from. I'm just going through some things. And then I found this really cute camera on from the Bloom chipboard as well. And then added that little heart sticker there, but it feels like it's going to fall off the layout. So I need to back it on something. So I happened to see that I had these tags from Ellie's Studio here, and I think they came from a fall collection at one point. And I really liked that black and white tag as kind of a diagonal of black and white from there down to the Happy Heart on the other side, and the photos get included in the in the midst of that. So it's a really nice line, a nice diagonal there. I really loved that tag, and it just it's great for the camera, but it's just also a really great design element, if I do say so myself. By the way, that floral heart went back to the right again over by Happy Heart. And I'm just looking for, I was hoping I had some navy twine, and I didn't have navy, but I did have kind of a nice royal blue. So what the heck, I'll put that in there. So then, because I have that different blue, now I need to get at least some other blue elements in here so that it's not, the blues don't stick out. And I don't know what that twine was from. It was kind of miscellaneous thing. Okay, so I'm grabbing these puffy hearts from the Puffy Heart stickers from Elle Studio from 2009. And these I might actually still be available. I think they actually are. I was looking the other day for something, and they're available when I'm videoing this. I don't know if they'll be available when you see this, because you won't see this for quite a while after I video it, after I do the voiceover. But you can always check out. They often have sheets of either hearts or stars or something. So I added navy hearts and then turquoise hearts, one of each. And why I'm doing that is, well, there's a navy up on the top. On the card, there's no aqua, but there's aqua in the camera on the left. So then I brought the aqua from the camera over to the journaling card and then back down to the heart right there. And then I decided I wanted to add some enamel dots for a little bit of a texture, and I grabbed the Doodlebug sprinkles in Swimming Pool so that I got a nice little texture in there, added a little tiny bit more aqua in there. Again, just another color and a relief from all the pink on this layout is why I did that. All right, you guys, the layout is done. Here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back again soon, everybody. Bye.